This Lime Cupcakes recipe turns your favorite soda into a delicious treat. Learn how to make it with this video, brought to you by recipes.net. Preheat the oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit and line a muffin pan with cupcake liners. In a large bowl, add the white cake mix, lime soda, lime zest, and vanilla syrup. Beat until well combined, then divide the batter among the cupcake liners. Bake for 20 to 25 minutes or until a toothpick comes out clean. Top it off with some Cool Whip. Garnish with candied lime slices and candy sprinkles, then serve. Don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and turn on that notification bell to catch more easy and tasty dishes to try at home.